Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to send a chat or how to send messages or how to chat on the application of Rave. You should just follow me step by step. In the first, we will go to this window of Rave app as you see here and you will click. Then in this page, as you see, you can choose or select any community you want here. You can choose anything. For example, I will choose this video here, as you see. Then you will wait a moment until you are joined to this group here. And then, as you see, you will find this sign here. Click on chat. And you can add any message you want here. For example, you click here hi and you click in this sign, and then here you will find this messages are sent like this. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention. Goodbye.